Hey sweet friends, welcome back. I am back with another DHgate. I am back with another luxury bag dupe unboxing and review. Here it is. I'm gonna show you guys more in details of what it looks like and the unboxing of the product. She's gorgeous. Of course, I got the pink. Now I thought it was gonna be the mini one, but it's not, and I'm kind of happy that it's this size because I get to fit more stuff in there. It's cute. Isn't she adorable? Again, I'm gonna have the link in the description box to this product, this specific product. You can just click that link in the description box. It'll take you directly to the DHgate website and enjoy the discount and shop the specific product, or you can select other products from the seller or the website. This baby was under $100. Unbelievable, right? For the quality, I'm just mind blown. Yes, it comes with the strap. Beauty. So if you want to see more content like this, please do consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to click the link in my bio to shop this specific product and other product from the DHgate website. See you on my next one, guys. Bye. Love y'all.